Hi, I'm Keith Bobrosky, President at Delta Scientific Corporation. Thanks for joining me on another Project Spotlight video. Today, I'll be talking about these DSC501 barriers you see behind me. This is Delta's flagship product in that it is the world's only K54 rated barrier. That is meant to stop 1.2 million foot-pounds at K12 and 5.4 million foot-pounds of energy at K54. That's a 65,000 pound loaded truck traveling at 50 miles an hour, stopped dead in its tracks. Here you might ask, why are we making different sized barriers? We have a 9-foot clear opening and we have a greater than a 12-foot clear opening behind me. These units are custom made per project specifications, and these are going to a confidential location for one of our partners in the Middle East. They have very strict requirements on what their clear opening needs to be so that barrier can fit exactly in the roadway and cut off traffic to vehicles, motorcycles, scooters, everything from curb to curb. So these barriers are made to fit exactly in that envelope. We've built this barrier up to a 16-foot clear opening. Contact Delta Scientific sales force and they can work with our engineers to get you the exact product, length, width, height, color that you need for your specifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.